Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a short video regarding installing 120 on the outside of the trailer. You can see this one is another 120 plug. This one actually runs to my inverter. So when my inverter's on, it'll run this power. If I'm running a radio, charging a phone outside, I'll be using this one. But for when I have 120 hooked up and the generator running, or plugged into 120, I'll be able to plug into this one. Just the way I'm doing the system, I have two separate systems. One's a 12-volt system and one's a 120 system. Just for what I need, it works. I am not a ticketed electrician, so anything on here is stuff that I've been told how to do by an electrician, but I myself am not a ticketed electrician. So here we go. I'm going to show you how I put in my 120 plug on my cargo trailer build. So because I'm running in series, I have two wires, because there will be more plugs after this. Sorry if you guys can hear any of that wind, it's quite windy today. So you want to splice your wires, pull back that sleeve, cut the sleeve off, and do that for both sides. Pull your black and your white wires out. And again, your application might be different. For now, I'm just using these regular 120 plugs, but if you are doing it outside, which I'm going to change to, this will be a GFCI plug, just rated for outside or in water. But for right now, I'm just using these for the next couple weeks. So what you want to do on the back of these, there's a measurement of how much to strip your wire, and it actually gives you that whole measurement there. You can either shove the wire in these slots, or you can wrap them around the screws, which I prefer to go around the screws. Now with them all stripped, take a pair of needle nose, pliers, and so black go to the brass color, and the white go to the chrome color or the silver color. So do my black ones first. The wire around the screw. Make sure it stays on there. The boxes I have are 1 1/4 inch deep, so they're very shallow. So getting the wire in here will be very tough. I am doing this just after I have the trailer insulated, because I have to run all these wires prior. Unfortunately, I won't be able to test this until the walls are back on and I have my breaker installed, and then I'll be able to test this outlet. Grounds on there, and now we can snug this up. Ground screw. have everything tight. We can put our plug screws in. This side. This one on this side. And before we get those screws all the way in, we want to install our weatherproof cover. And so these screws just pop through here, and then the case slides down to lock them in place. So now that we got this slid on, now we can finish tightening up these screws. Up. Make sure that faceplate's where it needs to be. There we go. One screw down. This screw. There we go, just like that. 120 plug outside in series. Hope everyone enjoyed the video of me installing this 120 exterior outlet. It's actually pretty easy to do, even if you're just replacing an old one to put this new one in. Yeah, it was really easy to do. Looking forward to getting my power all hooked up and I'll be able to test all this, but there you go. Hope you guys have a great day. Catch you on the next one.